Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Well, good morning, everyone. I know we've been keeping a close eye on the fog since last night. It's been pretty thick out there, but what we're seeing, the fog advisory was allowed to expire, and really the fog's starting to mix out at this point. Here's why. Those winds really picking up out of the south, up near 20 miles per hour at this point, and with the winds picking up, that's really going to mix out that lower cloud deck there. We're improving the visibility. So 9 miles right now in Terre Haute, 7 in Robinson, 5 in Vincennes. Fog really going to become less of a concern as we head through the next few hours. We're also waking up to very mild temperatures. It's 59 degrees right now in Effingham, 56 in Mattoon, 56 in Casey. Terre Haute waking up to a temperature of 55 degrees. It's 57 right now in Robinson. Temperature tracker for the day taking us back into the 60s. We're going to be up near 60 degrees by midday, 63 by 2 p.m. with your high reaching 65. Keep in mind your record high temperature for today is 65 degrees. We're going to come pretty close to tying that, if not breaking that, as we see the warm temperatures returning this afternoon. Outside right now in the clouds and radar showing us we do have a cloud cover in place. A few very light rain showers falling across northern portions of the valley north of Edgar County in Illinois. Going to continue to see the chance for maybe a few isolated rain showers with us for the first part of the day. More widespread rain will hold off through this evening and as we head through the overnight tonight. Now here's why. We have a cold front that's back to our west, and what that's going to do, slowly work its way closer to us here in the valley, and that's going to really change our weather, bringing us the chance for some severe storms as well. So just keep that in mind. We'll highlight what you can expect coming up in your Futurecast forecast. But let's see what we're going to have out there this morning. Here's 8 o'clock. We'll go hour by hour as we head through the afternoon, and really not going to be dealing with a lot of rain showers today. The main weather story will be the warmer temperatures, the cloudy skies, and also the gusty winds. Temperatures getting back into the mid-60s for this afternoon with a cloudy sky for the most part during the morning and afternoon hours. Those winds picking up out of the south, sustained near 20, gusting up near 30 miles per hour at times. That's what's going to make it feel very warm. In fact, maybe even a little bit muggy because of all the moisture that's going to be in the air. Now the rain showers returning for this evening starting at 8 o'clock tonight. Here's that cold front. It'll slowly approach the Wabash Valley and bring the threat for some severe storms. Now here's the timing of this system. 2 o'clock in the morning. This is early Wednesday morning lasting through 6 a.m. before the main threat of severe weather works its way off to the east and we eventually get back into some clearing skies. That's 9 a.m. So the main timing of the severe weather threat is going to be between 2 and 6 a.m. early Wednesday morning. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center does have the entire Wabash Valley in a slight risk for severe weather. We already have tornado watches issued back in Oklahoma. This is a very large system, so we're going to see it slowly approaching the Wabash Valley, bringing us a chance for some gusty winds, heavy rain, flash flooding, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain falling with the system as it moves through, and also a very slight chance for some spin-up isolated tornadoes as well. So something we're going to be keeping an eye on. Now is the time to make sure you have your NOAA weather radio handy for you during the overnight hours, and of course we'll be here tracking the system and keeping you updated. We also have the flood watch that's been issued from the National Weather Service going into effect tonight, lasting through tomorrow morning, because as I mentioned, 2 to 3 inches of rain not out of the question as this line works its way through. Again, a lot of rain in a short period of time leading to the threat of flooding. Now temperatures are going to really drop back behind the system. Looking at your forecast for Wednesday, any leftover rain showers mixing with snow at that point. Temperatures starting off in the 50s, falling through the 30s tomorrow afternoon. A cold blast returns, wind staying strong. Definitely going to be a big transition from what we're experiencing today as what we're going to be waking up to Thursday morning when temperatures drop back near 18 degrees. We'll do 65 today. For the most part, staying dry, a few chances of isolated rain showers, warm and breezy. More widespread rain moving in tonight. Also that chance for severe storms. The severe threat comes to an end by early tomorrow morning. At that point, temperatures falling. afternoon mix as well. If we do have any moisture left over back behind that system, we'll do 18 degrees your overnight low temperature Wednesday into Thursday morning with highs only in the 20s. So, Brittany, we rarely see a smooth transition whenever we see temperatures going from the 60s to the teens in a few days. So, a rocky overnight, but we'll get you through it.
I know you'll keep us updated. Thank you, Lindsay.